Some of you guys may have seen this photo going around. And for those of you that didn't, Milo has one question for you. Why not? Milo's post could have been seen on Instagram, Facebook, and well, if he hadn't gotten lazy, it would have been on Twitter too. So what are you waiting for? Go check him out. And now it's time for
Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Milo. In this episode, we're going to be making a chicken cornbread pie.
To get things started, always start with a clean, sharp knife. Use that knife to cut up one medium chicken breast into about 1-inch cubes. Add a little bit of oil to a skillet and on medium-high heat, get your chicken cooking. For this recipe, you're going to want your chicken completely cooked before adding it to the casserole dish. When your chicken's done, grab a medium green pepper and chop it into small bite-sized pieces. Add your green peppers to a 2-quart casserole dish. On top of your green peppers, you're going to want to add your chicken. Next comes a small head of cauliflower that's been broken into about 1/2-inch pieces. Then add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a mixing bowl, you're going to add 1.5 cups of milk that's been heated to a boil. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of corn meal. Then just give it a good mix. Before it cools down, add about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, which is about 2 ounces. Then stir it all together. After your mixture's cooled down, go ahead and add 2 eggs and give it a good stir. You're also going to want to toss in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, and just mix it all together. take your cornbread mixture and add it to your cauliflower and chicken. Spread it around and get an even layer on top of your casserole dish. Once that's done, you're going to pop it in the oven for 375 degrees for about 45 minutes. When it's ready, serve it with a side of tomato soup. This smells amazing.
Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed. I know we sure did. Stay tuned next week where we're going to be making a turkey burger pie.
And let me just tell you, this turkey burger pie is something that you're not going to want to miss. It was super delicious. Speaking of not missing, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and click that subscribe button if you want to be notified the next time that we upload a new video. Milo and I really do appreciate all of your support.
We hope you have a wonderful day and happy holidays. And until next time, happy tales.